This is a fridge drawer clip for a Miele fridge. We purchased both the Miele fridge and freezer, and I'm super pissed with Miele. I reached out, told them that the clip was broken, and they wanted someone to come out. For someone to come out, it's a $200 service fee. And to just talk to someone, it's a $60 call. This is ridiculous. Just send me my part. This part cost 4 cents to print and less than 3 grams of material. The part that they want to charge me for is over $20. Plus, they're going to charge me postage. This is absolutely ridiculous from a high-end product. Miele, here's a suggestion. Why don't you actually publish 3D models of your parts and stop being such dickheads? I'm not even a designer, and in about 10-15 minutes, I was able to redesign the part. You sell the expensive product, you should send me the replacement product, especially for some cheap, shitty plastic part that shouldn't even belong in a expensive fridge like this. This isn't the first part that I've had the little tabs break off, so I suggest you get your shit in order, Miele, and actually back up your parts that you make. We have Moen taps in our house. They're 20 years old. One of the parts broke. I contacted Moen. They sent me a box of parts for free or under the warranty of this part. So Miele, you suck. I'll never buy another Miele fridge again.
You can now download this part and make a world.